my name is Elise and I'm totally obsessed with my luxury garden. Today I'm going to be talking to you about beets, which are one of my favorite veggies to grow because they are so easy. I'd say they're in my top 5 easiest veggies to grow if you're a beginner gardener. This year I'm growing golden beets. These are Touchstone Gold. This is about the size they are getting right now. I'm also growing more traditional looking beet. These red beets, they're beautiful and delicious. This is a knot beet and they stay quite small like this, about 2 to 3 inches, which is perfect for me because I pickle my beets. It's one of my daughter's favorite things to snack on, so I like them nice and small. Beets are super easy because you can plant the seed directly into the soil in spring. You don't have to start them indoors. And then you really don't need to fertilize them too much. At the start of the season, I use this brand, Homegrown Excellence 20-20-20 all-purpose fertilizer. This isn't the exact one, this is sulfur 90, but this is the brand that I use. And I just mix that into the soil. And then throughout the season, I use Big Ass Carrots Premium Carrot Fertilizer. This fertilizer is awesome for root vegetables because it is 100% organic and it's also made in Canada, which is great because I live in Canada. This is what a beet looks like. Down here is the root. Up top, these are the stems that grow up above the dirt, which can be eaten in salads or sauteed. My beets are in my first and second veggie beds here behind me, and they're on a drip irrigation system where I water them once per day in the evenings for about 30 minutes. Come along with me as I harvest and give you a few tips on growing beets and also show you how I pickle my beets. The recipe is going to be linked in the description down below. I'm leaving any that are really small. This is kind of a thinning process here because I never thinned them previously. I didn't have time. So I'm just picking the bigger ones and leaving the smaller ones. This little guy, I'll just put back in the dirt. Keep growing. Any that are quite small, I'm just kind of putting back in the dirt here so that they can keep growing. I don't want to interrupt those. Just getting the bigger ones because I did not thin these. Here's one. I'll put it back in here and see if they continue to grow. If not, that's okay. I can just eat the tops. Also going to harvest some of these golden beets. Oh, wow, that's nice. Just harvested all these beets. Oh my gosh, they're going to be so good. My daughter's gonna love these. She loves pickled beets. Huge harvest. This is probably 5 pounds. Wow. They're so good. So happy with how they turned out. He has them a little scissors, Cody. Let's grab them.
Why is it really big? Oh!
Two bags of beet leaves, 1 fresh beet salad with Swiss chard and kale, and all these beets that will be pickled. Made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my video on beets, how to grow them. It's an awesome vegetable if you're a beginner gardener. Have a great day. Happy gardening.